Pocket 4. Should you buy or wait? The DJI Osmo Pocket series has significantly impacted content creation, particularly for vloggers, travelers, and filmmakers who need a compact yet powerful camera. The Osmo Pocket 3 remains one of the best small cameras for creators, known for its excellent stabilization, high-quality footage, and portability. However, with rapid technological advancements, many are eagerly anticipating the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Expected upgrades and features design and build enhancements. The Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a slight increase in weight from 116 grams to around 190 grams. This weight increase is attributed to a larger battery and a bigger 2.5-inch-old touchscreen. The added weight could help with stabilization, while the larger screen improves framing and usability. Additionally, an improved grip texture and refined button layout are expected, making extended use more comfortable. Camera sensor and image quality. While the Osmo Pocket 4 is likely to retain the 1-inch CMOS sensor from the Osmo Pocket 3, improvements in image processing are expected. Enhancements in low-light performance, dynamic range, and color accuracy will likely result in better image quality. Another major upgrade is expected in 10-bit color depth with log HDR recording, offering greater flexibility in post-production. For slow-motion enthusiasts, the Osmo Pocket 4 might introduce 4000 recording at 240 fps, doubling the 120 fps capability of its predecessor. This could be a game-changer for those capturing high-speed action. Autofocus and subject tracking. Autofocus is set to receive a major upgrade with the introduction of phase detection autofocus PDF, improving speed and accuracy. Additionally, eye-driven subject tracking may allow the camera to follow faces, animals, and fast-moving objects with greater precision. Battery life and charging. Battery life has been a limitation in previous models, but the Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to extend continuous recording time from 140 minutes to 200 minutes. This longer battery life would make it a more practical choice for extended shooting sessions. Enhanced stabilization. DJI is expected to introduce a hybrid stabilization system, combining mechanical 3-axis stabilization with advanced electronic stabilization. This improvement will result in ultra-smooth footage, reducing the need for additional stabilizers. Expected release date. And Pre-Chingy typically follows a 3-year refresh cycle, suggesting a possible release in late 2026 or early 2027. However, an earlier launch is possible given the fast-paced advancements in camera technology. Should you buy the Osmo Pocket 3 or wait for the Osmo Pocket 4? If you need a high-quality, ultra-portable camera now, the Osmo Pocket 3 remains an excellent choice with its superior stabilization and video quality. However, if you can wait, the Osmo Pocket 4's rumored upgrades in autofocus, slow-motion capabilities, battery life, and stabilization may be worth holding out for. Ultimately, the decision depends on your immediate needs and whether you're willing to wait for the latest technology.